Welcome back to our channel. If you're searching for the ultimate mascara that delivers both length and volume, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 mascaras that promise to give your lashes the perfect combination of length and volume. From drugstore favorites to high-end hits, we've got the best of the best. Let's dive in and find the mascara that will elevate your lash game. Kicking off our list at number 1, Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara is celebrated for its impressive ability to provide both extreme length and volume. Known for its unique formula and innovative brush, it aims to deliver a bold, lifted lash look without the need for falsies. Key features: Sky High features a flexible brush with a tapered tip that reaches every lash from root to tip. The formula is enriched with bamboo extract and fibers to enhance both length and volume. Its buildable formula allows you to layer it for a more intense effect, without clumping. Benefits and usage: this mascara is ideal for those seeking dramatic length and volume. It's perfect for everyday wear as well as special occasions. To use, apply the mascara by wiggling the brush from the base to the tips of your lashes. Layer as needed for a fuller, more voluminous look. The formula's flexibility makes it easy to achieve a customized effect. Usability: the tapered brush design ensures easy application and precise coating of each lash. The formula is smooth and buildable, allowing for a clump-free finish. It is also gentle enough for sensitive eyes and suitable for contact lens wearers. Durability: Lash Sensational Sky High provides excellent staying power, maintaining its length and volume throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, though it might require a gentle eye makeup remover to completely remove, especially if applied in multiple layers. In the second spot, we have Benefit They're Real Magnet. Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara is renowned for its ability to deliver intense volume and length with a magnetically charged formula. It's designed to provide a dramatic, eye-catching look that lasts all day. Key features: they're real. Magnet features a custom-designed brush with a magnetic core that helps to lengthen and separate lashes. The formula includes advanced polymers that adhere to lashes for maximum impact. The brush is also equipped with a unique tip for precision application. Benefits and usage: this mascara is perfect for achieving a bold, voluminous look with impressive length. Its buildable formula allows you to layer it for a more dramatic effect. Apply it from the base to the tips of your lashes, using the tip of the brush to reach the smaller lashes. The magnetic technology ensures that the formula adheres to lashes for a long-lasting finish. Usability: the brush's design allows for even application and easy access to all lashes. The formula is creamy and buildable, which helps achieve a clump-free finish. It is suitable for sensitive eyes and provides a precise application for both top and bottom lashes. Durability: Benefit They're Real Magnet offers strong staying power, maintaining its volume and length throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, though you may need a good eye makeup remover to fully cleanse it off, especially if used in multiple layers. Coming in at number 3 is the Lancôme Hypnôse Drama. Lancôme Hypnôse Drama Mascara is known for delivering bold volume and a dramatic lash effect. This mascara is designed to enhance lashes with its high-impact formula and S-shaped brush. Key features: Hypnôse Drama features a large, S-shaped brush that helps to amplify volume and create a full, dramatic look. The formula includes a blend of waxes and conditioning agents to plump and separate lashes, providing a bold, high-volume effect. Benefits and usage: this mascara is ideal for those who want to create a dramatic, voluminous look. It's perfect for special occasions or nights out when you want your lashes to make a statement. Apply it by sweeping the brush from the base of your lashes to the tips, using a zigzag motion to build volume and separation. Usability: the S-shaped brush design helps to lift and separate lashes effectively. The formula is creamy and buildable, providing a smooth application without excessive clumping. It's also suitable for sensitive eyes and offers a voluminous finish. Durability. Lancôme Hypnôse Drama provides excellent staying power, maintaining its volume and definition throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, though it may require a good makeup remover for complete removal due to its long-wearing formula. Taking our fourth spot is L'Oréal Voluminous Lash Paradise. L'Oréal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara is well loved for its ability to deliver both dramatic volume and length. This mascara is designed to enhance your lashes with a voluptuous, full-bodied effect. Key features. Lash Paradise features a soft, fluffy brush with wavy bristles that coat each lash evenly. The formula is enriched with rose oil to condition and soften lashes while providing intense volume and length. The brush's design helps to build and separate lashes for a voluminous finish. Benefits and usage. This mascara is ideal for achieving a full, voluminous look with added length. It's perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. Apply it from the base of your lashes to the tips, using the brush to build up the volume and length. The formula's conditioning agents help to keep lashes soft and healthy. Usability. The fluffy brush design ensures easy and even application, helping to prevent clumping and delivering a smooth, voluminous finish. The formula is buildable, allowing you to achieve the desired intensity. It's suitable for sensitive eyes and provides a rich, dramatic effect. Durability. L'Oréal Voluminous Lash Paradise offers strong staying power, maintaining its volume and length throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, though it may require a gentle eye makeup remover for complete removal. And finally, at number 5, we have Urban Decay Perversion. Urban Decay Perversion Mascara is known for its ability to deliver intense volume and rich color, creating bold, dramatic lashes. This mascara is designed to provide a full, dark lash look with a highly pigmented formula. Key features. Perversion features a large, fluffy brush that helps to coat each lash with rich, dark pigment. The formula includes a blend of honey and peptides that condition and strengthen lashes while providing a voluminous effect. The brush's design ensures even coverage and definition. Benefits and usage. This mascara is perfect for achieving a full, dark lash look with impressive volume and length. It's ideal for creating a bold, dramatic effect for both everyday wear and special occasions. Apply from the base of your lashes to the tips, using the brush to build up the desired volume and definition. Usability. The fluffy brush design allows for easy application and even coating of lashes. The formula is buildable, providing a customizable look without excessive clumping. It's suitable for sensitive eyes and offers a rich, pigmented finish. Durability. Urban Decay Perversion provides excellent staying power, maintaining its volume and color throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, though it may require a thorough makeup remover for complete removal due to its long-wearing formula. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best mascaras for length and volume. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect mascara to achieve stunning lashes. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment with your favorite mascara, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. See you in the next video.